let's see. I guess let's ping a few more people, tell them the stream is live. Gain on the subway stop renames now live on Twitch. Open chat back up. Okay. I feel like maybe the music's still loud. Bring it down a little bit. Working on the subway stop renames. And Discord is still having the trouble. But while that is going, we can get the code part set up. Discord. Is living up to its name right now. Okay, I have to completely close the tab first. That's interesting. And I'll post in general. So where are the subway stop names? They are in this file here. And what has changed? Well, that we'll have to look at the map for. So let's open up the map editor and take a look. Kind of like we did yesterday with the FM swap. I wonder if there's another way to do it. Because they do publish the stop names. I don't know if I have those. Well, I guess it'll show what needs to be updated. So maybe I will start with that. So for example, Malcolm X Plaza is new. They added, I thought they changed this to 33rd Baruch College. Maybe not. They only changed it on the subway diagram. Oh my. Okay, well, let's look at what the official stop names might be. I think I have those. Yeah, I keep them in this inbox. I need to update those. I have this update script here. Let's go ahead and run that. CD data inbox. Sure. Authorize with Touch ID. I can't authorize with my watch. That's true. Wow, this is a really old script. Although I don't see. Oh, I see right here. I wonder if that's this. Is this what I did? Let's see what happens. So yeah, fetch. Maybe like that. I guess all. Where am I getting the equipments.json from? Well, let's come back to that. That part is immaterial for trying to get the station names. Looks like it still tried to write something. So what's the diff? Do we have a diff? Discard those changes. Does that mean that these CSVs have not updated? So if I look for Baruch, it's not here. If I look for Malcolm X, it's not here. Okay, I guess this has not updated. Well, that would make it hard to follow these names. What else? I guess that means it probably didn't update station complexes either. KISSAD. Oh, wait, it just failed at the beginning at this one. And then it stopped. Let's try it again. Okay, now it's doing stuff. Do we have diffs now? Now we have diffs. All those numbers have changed. Spooking, aka zombie buses, missing real time but confirmed in revenue service. Hey, how's it going, John, too? Yes, please show me the diff. Doing all right. Oh, hey, look, they have southbound now. They're copying off of me. Not happy the cold is starting to stay. I'm happy it's sweatshirt weather. I don't remember what I do with these after I have them here. Last stop. Oh, it just says last stop is the direction. That's, again, something that I put in my app that now the MTA is doing. That's cool. Anything below 45, my hands hurt and go numb. I guess it's not that cold yet here. It's already 45 degrees where you are? Let's take a look at that file. Where did it go? So do we have Baruch? We don't. Do we have Malcolm? We don't. Okay. So that's not really a big help then, is it? Although I do like them like explicitly saying last stop as the direction. That's kind of neat. Right now I underline the train, which is not clear. I mean, it's not like in English the way that last stop, the phrase last stop is in English. So that's really interesting. Manhattan or outbound. They go with outbound, eh? Instead of eastbound. Or Queensbound. It ends up in Queens, right? Oh, we don't have the... No, it's all Brooklyn. It's all Brooklyn for the L train. It was 39 when I woke up and did morning chores. Oh, wow. Yeah, all my jackets are still in my closet. I think it was a high of 60-ish today, 63 or something. Not intended for resale. I have written permission, though. So I guess we're doing this on our own as far as the names of the stops. Who is using this equipments.json though? Because I would like that file if I'm using it. Equipments.json. Okay, so I'm just sticking this straight into my database. So I would like this file updated. And it is JSON itself. So maybe I just download the JSON file directly? In my little update. Curl -- Earl -O. Let's see how far that gets us. Sure. Trust publisher and install. Update now. Sure. In MI, the jackets never get put away because you never know. Even in August? Show me the diff. They removed some borough markers? How is that an upgrade? MTA, please. Why are you doing this? Why would they do this? Let's look at it not in the differ. Did they remove all boroughs? I think I'm not really using the borough. Yeah, they are all blanked out. Why would they do that? How far down the file are we? Still a ways, not even halfway through. Okay, I'm going to say they removed all of them. Especially in August? What you talking about? Let's see. Well, I guess we'll find out soon enough if I'm using the borough anywhere. Where is my terminal? It might rain, so at least raincoats could be used. Okay, that's fair. I want to look at the app itself, not the map editor, for verifying that the escalator and elevator, the E&E stuff, is working as expected after that update. Okay, well, I guess I'm not really using the borough, so that's nice. Nothing crashed. It's just like their information was there and now it's not. This feels bad. I guess I wasn't using it. So what else? Stations. Looks like they didn't change the names of the stations that I need to have changed. Let's see. East. East space. What stop was that? Where's the simulator? So I think it was. There's a street down here that they changed the stop name on. Yeah, East 105. So let's search for 105. Maybe 105 ST. Okay, so that did get updated here. And in my app, it still says E105. So I guess we're changing stuff like that. let's see, update some static data from the MTA. Not doing the proto buffs yet, though. I think I am using the priority somewhere. So I feel like I might want to change that. But this is for buses, and this is for again buses. And this has no changes. So yeah, let's commit that bit. I kind of want to do. Well, let's stay on target. We're fixing the names right now. We are fixing the names of the stations. And we are doing that in this file. Where's the names? Are we going to do this like one by one? Then Cortlandt Park, 242nd, 238th Street, 231, Marble Hill, minus 225 Street, 215, 207, Dykeman, 191, 181, 168, 157, 145, 137 minus City College, 125, 116 minus Columbia University, Cathedral Parkway, in parentheses, 110th Street. And then not only that, the names are sometimes have been different on this map. I guess I should go by this map. '66 Lincoln Center, 59 Columbus Circle, 50 Times Square, minus 42, 34th Street, Penn Station, 28, 23, 18, 14, Christopher Street, Stonewall. They changed it from Sheridan Square. I kind of want to have both. I guess they changed it on both. I guess who searches for Sheridan Square? I guess it is more famous for being right where Stonewall is. An important event in NYPD history. Houston Street, Canal Street, Franklin Street, Chambers Street. WTC Cortlandt, but not Cortlandt Street. I think I'm going to leave it as Cortlandt Street. What is it on the subway diagram? WTC Cortlandt. I think having more letters is okay. Rector Street, South Ferry. Yeah, I guess we can take a loop off, though. And then all the way up to the Bronx for Wakefield. Wakefield 241, Nereid Avenue 233, 225, 219, Gun Hill Road, Burke Ave, Allerton Ave, Pelham Parkway, Bronx Park East. So here it's E180. How come in the other one they have it as East? E180. But the other stop, they wrote it as East, 105th Street. I don't like this. I guess I could call it East myself. Because the whole point of this app is to follow the map. But when the map is not consistent with itself, I feel like there's some room for editorializing. I think I'm going to leave that for now. Freeman, Simpson, Intervale, Prospect, Jackson, 3 Ave minus 149, 149 minus Grand Concourse, we haven't really, we found a few renames so far this way. Right, so it jumps down to so Central Park North 110th is now 110 Malcolm X Plaza. And on the other map, 110 minus Malcolm X Plaza. Okay. Why is this one in parentheses and this one is a dash? The world may never know. Anyway, 1010th. Right, we just did that one. Park Pla is down here. That hasn't changed. Park Pla, Fulton, Wall Street, Clark Street, Borough Hall is still there. Hoyt Street, Nevins Street, that's still there. Atlantic Ave, Barclays, CTR. Bergen, Grand Army Plaza, Eastern Parkway, Brooklyn Museum. Franklin Ave, Meyer, Medgar Evers College. Franklin Ave, Medgar Evers College. President Street, also Medgar Evers College. Yeah, we're finding the name changes. Sterling Street, Winthrop, Church Ave, Beverly No E Road, Newkirk Ave, Little Haiti, Flatbush Ave, Brooklyn College. Okay. No Strand is right here. No Strand, Kingston, Crown Heights, Utica Ave, Sutter Ave, Rutland Road, Saratoga Ave, Rockaway Ave, Junius Street, Pennsylvania Ave, Van Sicklen Ave, and New Lots. Okay. And then back up to Harlem for Harlem 148, 145th Street, and then Woodlawn up to the Bronx. Woodlawn, Moshulu Parkway, Bedford Puck Boulevard or Bedford Park Boulevard? This one has Puck. Lehman College. Hydrate. Oh, that's a great idea. Thank you. I got a new water bottle, but I have not cleaned it yet. Do you wash water bottles before you use them when you buy them from Amazon? I feel like I also got some new sweatshirts yesterday too, and I feel like I want to wash those first too, even though they're probably clean. Ooh, double hydrate. It's gonna give you a double anyway. Oh, we gotta fix the chat overlay because it's can't really see it on the dark screen. Always wash apparel. This sweatshirt, I broke that rule for. I'm like, I'm so excited to have this. But I guess the new ones are the same design on a different sweatshirt company. So I feel like I can wait. I can follow the rule for those. I wanted to do it this morning, but then I would have been super late. Okay, Kingsbridge Road, Fordham Road, 183 Street, Burnside Avenue, 176, Mount Eden Ave, now that Baruch College thing has got me all spooked on these things matching up or not. So far they're matching up okay. .138 Grand Concourse, Fulton Street. Oh, all the way down here, right? Fulton Street, Wall Street, Bowling Green, and it jumps to Eastchester Dyer Ave. Eastchester Dyer Ave. Okay, that's still changed. That's still the same. Baychester, Gun Hill Road, Pelham Parkway, Morris Park, and then Pelham Bay Parkway, Burr Ave, Middletown Road, Westchester Square. This one says East, not E. It's not consistent. What is it on? I guess I'm kind of calling this the classic map when I refer to it. And no one's complained. This one also spells out East. Okay. Thanks for the chill vibes. Zarega Ave, Castle Hill Ave, Parkchester, St. Lawrence Ave, Morrison Ave, Soundview, one word. I have it as two words. What's that on the classic map? Also one word. Okay. I still have what we need a new point redemption that's a little bit larger, I guess, for loyal listeners such as yourself. Whitlock Ave, Hunts Point Ave, Longwood Ave, East 149th Street, East 143rd Street, minus St. Mary's. I guess a double quote is how that works. Cypress Ave, Brook Ave, 3rd Ave minus 138th Street, 125th, 116th, 1010th, 103rd, 96, 86, 77, 68 minus Hunter College. This is Lexington Ave divided by 59th Street. And I just have 59th Street. I guess that's what it is. This is 59th Street. That's what it says on the map. And this is Lexington Ave divided by 59th Street. I guess. Plain old 51st Street. Grand Central minus 42nd Street. 33rd Street. It just says 33rd Street. I got an email about this today saying, hey, you need to update the name of 33rd Street. But it says 33rd Street on the map. Oh, it's 23rd Street. Ha ha ha. Well, either way, there's no Brew College named on any of those stops. When I can, I do like giving more characters for the search feature here. Baruch College. '14th Street minus Union Square. This is Union Square minus 14th Street. Oh boy, do we have a conflict. No, they agree. They have it the other way. And I agree. I think that is better. It's more consistent. Astorpla, Bleekersta, Springsta, Canalsta, Brooklyn Bridge minus City Hall. And we go all the way out to Flushing minus Main Street. Maybe when you switch maps, it's to try to locate what you're looking at. But I don't know, the maps are just so like differently scaled from each other. That also sounds like more difficult than it's worth. But I would like that. Junction Boulevard. It's probably way down the line compared to so many of the other things that I want to deliver in the app. 74th Street Broadway. 82nd Street Jackson Hits. 90th Street Elmhurst Ave. 103 Corona Plaza. Spelled out. Mets minus Willis Point. Okay. 69th Street. '61st Street Woodside. And is that what it is on the... I just want to have both these up at the same time. That's really all. Okay, that's cool. Um, 52nd Street, 46th Street minus Bliss, 40th Street minus Lowry, 33rd Street minus Rawson, Queensboro Plaza, Court Square, Hunters Point Ave, Vernon Boulevard, Jackson Ave, 5th Ave, and then 34th Street, Hudson Yards, no longer 11th Ave. Whew. And that is the numbered trains. Oh my goodness. Yep, 34th Street, Hudson Yards. So it seems like when there's a dash, they put it on the next line, except when they don't. Like 42nd Street and 59th Street. For 34th Street, they're able to put on the next line, so they do and remove the dash. You just have to know that the dash is there. It's like vowels in Arabic or Hebrew or something. Okay, Inwood minus 207th Street, Dykeman Street, 190 Street, 181, 175, 163 minus Amsterdam Ave. Street, okay, 145 Street, 135, 125, 116 Cathedral Parkway, parentheses, Street, 103, 96, 86, 81st Street, Museum of Natural History, 59th Street, Columbus Circle, 50th Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal, okay, 34th Street, Penn Station, 23rd Street, 14th Street divided by 8th Ave is how I do it, because on the traditional map, this is just one dot. Yeah, they just have it as like two names here on the same dot. Just call it a slashy like you do with Lexington Ave. I guess then they'd have to update all of the in-train car maps and all the in-train car announcements is one reason why perhaps they don't. This is where data rot comes from. W4 Street, Wash, Squaw. And on the new diagram, West 4th Street, Wash, Squaw. I'm going to infer that there would be a dash there. Springst, Canalst, Chamberst, Fultonst. Yep. Heist. J Street minus Metro Tech. Hoyt minus Gummerhorn. I have it as STS. They don't have that here. They don't have it there either. Okay, STS is goodbye. Lafayette Ave. I guess we'll go back to the diagram. Clinton minus Washington Aves. So they're back to plurals. Franklin Ave, Nostrand Ave, Kingston minus Throop Aves, another plural. Utica Ave, Ralph Ave, Rockaway Ave, Broadway Junction spelled out. Finally. Oh, they spell out here too. Great. Okay, Liberty Ave, Van Cyclin Ave, Shepherd Ave, Euclid Ave, Grant Ave, 88th Street, Walkaway Boulevard, 104, 111, Ozone Park minus Lefferts Boulevard. Okay. Then we jump over to Queensbridge. That's quite the leap. Oh, we can just use the search feature. Oh, amazing. Who wrote this app? 21 Street, Queensbridge. And then Roosevelt. Roosevelt Island. Langston Ave divided by 63rd Street. Do I want spaces there around that division? Or do I want them smushed up against each other? For the dashes, I'd put the space. For the slashes, I haven't. I guess I can think about that one. I don't need an answer right this second. So then we have. Oh, finally. Oh, ooh. Oh my God. Praise be. 57 divided by 7th Avenue. Oh wait, that's the wrong stop. That's the wrong stop. We're on the F line here, it seems. Okay, that makes more sense. This is 234, right? Yeah, okay. I got excited, a little out of turn. Okay. And then we jump down to 9th Avenue in Brooklyn. On the D. Okay, Fort Hamilton Parkway. 50, 55, 62, 71, 79, 18, 20, Bay Parkway, 25 Ave, Bay 50 Street, and we go up to the Bronx for Norwood. Norwood minus 205, Bedford Park Boulevard, Kingsbridge Road, Fordham Park, 182 minus 183 STS. Tremont Ave, 174 minus 175 STS. 170, 167. Then 155. And it jumps down to 7th Ave. I thought they changed this name, and I got so excited. Because there are 2 stops named 7th Ave where the B train stops, which means it's a little bit harder to disambiguate them. 7th Ave. So this is, this must be 259, but let's take a peek, make sure. It is 47 minus 50th STS minus Rockefeller CTR. Oh, it's call it center now. When do they abbreviate it and when do they not? They don't seem to be following a strict pattern. 42nd Street minus Bryant Park, 34th Street minus Harold Square, 23rd Street. And I have it as 6th Avenue divided by 14th Street yet again, like I did for the other one. Although it looks like I have a space here. Broadway minus Lafayette, Grandst. And then the other 7th Avenue with a B train. Prospect Park, Parkside Ave, Church Ave, Beverly with an E, Road. Jared from Transit Talks explained why there's these two Beverly roads right next to each other and one has an E. I don't exactly remember the details though. Cortelia Road, Newkirk Plaza, Avenue H, Avenue J, Avenue M, Kings Hui, Avenue U, Neck Road, Sheep's Head Bay, Brighton Beach, Ocean Parkway, West 8th Street minus New York Aquarium, Coney Island minus Stillwell Ave. Okay. Now we have World Trade Center just hanging out, number 287. Must be this guy. Yeah. So World Trade Center, is that what we have? I got a little lost. Yeah, Ocean Parkway. Okay, World Trade Center. Okay, it's just World Trade Center. Then we jump all the way out to Queens, Jamaica minus 179. On the F. Jamaica minus 179. 169 Parsons Boulevard, Sutphin Boulevard, Briarwood. They took off the extra words here. Did, what's it on the old map? I want to leave extra words when I can. Okay, they both have it without. As just Briarwood. Very well then. Kew Gardens, Union, TPK. 75 Ave. Oh, 75 Ave, and then it jumps over to Court Square, 23rd Street. Lexington Ave divided by 53rd Street. 5th Ave divided by 53rd Street. Okay, yeah, we have that. And then 2nd Ave. Just 2nd Ave all by itself. I guess that must be here because it's right next to Delancey minus Essex. East Broadway. York. Bergen Street. Carroll Street. Smith 9 STSs. 4th Ave. The way it's written, they don't have it separated. I wonder if I should smush the names together. What do they have on the new map? They do have it smushed together. Okay, great. So that is 305. Are we at 305? We are. So that is should be 4th Ave minus 9th Street. Love it. Yet another 7th Ave. Just racking them up. 15th Street, Prospect Park, Fort Hamilton Parkway, Church Ave, Ditmas Ave, 18 Ave, Avenue I, Bay Parkway, Avenue N, Avenue P, Kingsway, Avenue U, Avenue X, Neptune Ave. Then way back out to Queens for Jamaica Center. Jamaica Center minus Parsons divided by Archer. Okay. Sutphin Boulevard, Archer Ave, JFK Airport. That is the longest name, or at least it was last time I checked. Now that we have all these renames, I wonder if we have a longer one. Jamaica Van Wyck. Then we go to Forest Hills, 71st Ave, 67 Ave, 63rd Drive, Rego Park, Woodhaven Boulevard, Grand Ave Newton, Elmhurst Ave, Jackson Heights, spelled out. Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Ave. And then 65, Northern Boulevard, 46th Street, Steinway Street, 36th Street. Queens Plaza, all the way down here is the label. And then 21st Street? 21st Street, Queens Bridge. Is this number 337 by any chance? It is not. It is 231. So where is this 21st Street? Oh, here? Oh, we just jumped straight to the G, 21st Street. Okay, Greenpoint Avenue. Was not expecting that, but here we are. Nassau Avenue, Metropolitan Avenue, Broadway, Flushing Ave, Myrtle minus Willoughby Aves, Bedford minus Nostrand Aves, Classen Ave, Clinton Washington Aves. Again, I'm assuming that the dash is implied there. Class on Fulton Street. Okay, then we are jumping all the way down to the water for Aqueduct Racetrack, Aqueduct North Conduit Ave, Howard Beach JFK Airport, Broad Channel. And then Beach 67, Beach 60, Beach 44, Beach 36, Beach 25. Far Rockaway Mott Ave. Beach 90, Beach 98, Beach 105, Rockaway Park, Beach 116th Street. Okay, 121st Street. Are we on the JZ? Is this 362? It is. Okay, 121, 111, 104, Woodhaven Boulevard, 85th Street, Forest Parkway, 75th Street, Elderts Lane, Cypress Hills, Crescent Street, Norwood Ave, Cleveland Street, another Van Cyclin, Alabama Ave, Chauncey Street, Halsey Street, Gates Ave, Kosciuszko Street. And then we jump to 3rd Ave. That looks like the L train. Is this 382? It is 382. So 3rd Ave, 1st Ave, Bedford Ave. Lorimer Street. Graham Ave, Grand Street, Montrose Ave, Morgan Ave, Jefferson Street, DeKalb Ave, Myrtle minus Wyckoff Aves, Halsey Street, Wilson Ave, Bushwick Ave, Aberdeen Street, Atlantic Ave, Sutter Ave, Livonia Ave, New Lots Ave, spelled out east, 105 Street, then Canarsie, Rockaway, Parkway. Okay, Middle Village minus Metropolitan Ave is the same. Fresh Pond Road, Forest Ave, Seneca Ave. And then Knickerbocker, Central Ave, Myrtle Ave, Flushing Ave, Lorimer Street, Hughes Street, Marcy Ave, Marcy Ave. I got lost in the sauce. Bowery. Oh, here we go. Bowery. Canalst. Chamberst. Fultonst. Broad Street. Okay. 8th Ave. Is this 421? It is. This is like one of the main reasons I put a search feature in the app is for going through the subway stops. I didn't used to have a search feature for many years. Fort Hamilton Parkway, New Utrecht Ave, that was looking good. 18th Ave, Bay Parkway looking good. Kings Hui looking good. Avenue U, 86th Street looking good. And then over to Manhattan Canal, randomly. Is it 430? It is. So then Astoria minus Ditmars Boulevard, Astoria Boulevard, 30 Ave, another Broadway, 36 Ave, 39 Ave, Dutch Kills. That's new. We found a name change. And then we have Lexington Ave divided by 59th Street. Yep. Uh, 57th Street. Here they have it as divided by 7th Ave. I have it here as a dash. What is on the classic map? Oh, let's double check that that's 440, because last time I got a little excited early. That is 440. Okay, cool. So here it's minus. There it's slash. What do you do when the data doesn't agree with itself? It's like this doesn't follow any of their normal rules. Like if there's a second line, they haven't been putting a dash. They just have a slash chilling at the end here. I think the slash makes sense because it's the dash is for like a compound word, like 39th Ave Dutch kills. So I'm going to go with what they have on the new map there. But they have 4th Ave minus 9th Street here. So that's breaking the rule I feel like they set up elsewhere. What is it with that? Irregardless. 49th to 28th to 23th, 8th Street, NYU, Prince Street. Jump down to City Hall, Courtland, Rector. This is Whitehall, South Ferry. Which, how that stop is set up is a much better name. I agree. What is on the classic map? Oh, perfect. Exactly what I just put. Okay, so then Court Street in Brooklyn. Let's just search for it. Court Street in Brooklyn. And then DeKalb Ave. Then Unionst. And then this is clearly 4 Ave minus 9th. Prospect Ave, 25th, 36th, 45, 53, 59, Bay Ridge Ave, 77, 86, Bay Ridge minus 95 Street. And then Botanic Garden, that has not changed. And then Staten Island Ferry, Tottenville. Arthur Kill is out of order. That was a new stop that was put in after my Subway app came out. Richmond Valley, Pleasant Plains, Prince's Bay, Huguenot, Annandale, Eltingville, Great Kills, Bay Terrace, Oakwood Heights, New Dorp, Grant City, Jefferson Ave, Don Gan Hills, Old Town, I bet there's a road there, Grassmere, Clifton, Stapleton, Tompkinsville, St. George. And then we have the Q, the 2nd Avenue extension. these don't have dash second av on them. I think they should. They did when they first came out. Looks like they've removed it. I think I'm going to keep this one. Because there's so many 72nd, 86, and 96 streets. Having this be a little bit more nuanced, I think is okay. It's not that many characters. And if you're searching for 86th Street, you'll still get it. Okay, Christopher Street, so this is on the path. Let's go to the Subway diagram. Christopher Street, 9th Street. They have it as WTC. I think World Trade Center is fine. Actually, for path, no, that is important, actually, yeah. And then we'll switch to the path map for the others. Oh, I have to switch to the internal build to get the pro features on the simulator. Path map. Hoboken, Newport, Groves, Journal Square spelled out. I don't know how I missed that one. I paid someone to make this map for me. Calcagno Maps on Instagram. Cool. So that is the map update, the map names update. We did it. Probably want to ignore this. Right? What's in there? They show you all the dot files except for, oh, here it is. Launch.json. I don't need that. Deleted. And then I guess we have to decide what to do with these protobuf updates. Either way, we discard this part here. I don't know the impact of this is going to be. Let's see. What do I need to do over there? Is that in... Who uses that? Let's see. Let's search for .proto. It looks like I have a README that tells me what I'm supposed to do. Tells myself what I did a long time ago. Files to include README. Wow, this is so old though. Let's see. Well, let's keep that open. Is it true that the kitchen CLI has protobuf stuff in it? Because oh, it does. Copy relative path. So if we want to RM, we will RM that stuff. Yeah, this is like fix the imports, which we did. Okay, we need to make this on multiple lines. I haven't looked at this crowding stuff. I wonder if there's anything good in there. Okay, let's try it. Brew install protobuf. Oh, one thing I want to check before is my build passing. It passed. Amazing. Oh, wow. CI/CD has been a thorn in my side, and getting out of it is going to be a large effort that I can still put off for now because there's more important things to do. Cannot make protopath relative. Oh, do I need to? Oh, I need to CD into here. CD proto. There we go. And then this one. Okay. Is it gonna work? I guess we can try building it locally. Swift build. Is that Stancing Steve Jobs? I'm trying to hover over it. The cop to dance. Error. Argument passed a call that takes no arguments. Oh me, oh my. Oh me, oh my. So this is real-time PB. Okay, I guess we gotta go in there and take a look. All right, can't have too many Xcodes open at once. Which I guess is another reason to split up my mono repo. The reasons keep stacking up, and yet that's going to be a big effort that I think I can still deliver features on without doing that. So it still is yet to be done, but it is lurking in my mind. Okay, let's Command B. What did this used to be? Show change. This used to be a map. Oh, do I need to update the protobuf library? Swift proto. Let's take a peek. . 132.0, and I'm on 14. Let's give that a try. Yeah, there's always something going on with my CI/CD, and sometimes it's not my fault. Like, I guess the Ethernet went out, so it couldn't get any jobs. But it was weird. It could run jobs, but it couldn't like push Docker images, which was really weird. But that got fixed, and then it was running really slow. I realized, oh, the disk must be full, so I cleared some disk space, and now it's running at a reasonable-ish pace. It says 39 minutes for everything. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that compared to some jobs were taking like 2 hours and not finishing. I guess it's because I'm running it basically single-threadedly, building all the Docker containers. Failed. Okay, can I Command B though? Hasn't failed yet. Build succeeded. Okay. Should we cautiously... Oh, I guess we can do a fetch. We don't have to go straight to prod with this. I mean, we wouldn't anyway, but we can run a fetch and see what we get. Swift run fetch. I guess a sample. See what happens. See if we explode or we get some stuff. Now let's try it. We do not explode. I guess we're okay. I guess we'll try it out. Oh, and I guess we can take a peek at the sample too. Samples, the new one. It is very binary, isn't it? That one's also binary. Okay. I guess that's what it is. There they are. Do you want to... Because I decode them right before I write them. Is that true? Feed actions. Oh, can I print them? That'll make me feel better if I print instead of sample. Really? Where's my commands? There's the actions. Okay, cool. Cool. Hey, we got some stuff. Cool. Well, I guess it definitely works. 7. The priorities, I need to kind of take a look at those though, I guess. Why does it always say 7? Do we see any of the new stuff that we got? Such as... Do we see anything about crowding in here? What would this be under? I don't see anything about that in here. That might have to be for a future day. GT update. Protobuf. Oh, it's latest from MTA. So if I search for priority, not in just readmes, let's do it here. Priority. How about not in XML though? Maybe I should have done that on a branch. How can I eliminate XML files in sources? Reason. Okay, close other tabs. What am I doing with this integer? I think I'm just treating it as an integer. I don't think I'm interpreting it at all. Maybe let's search in here. Dot priority in star.swift. I can't believe I touched every single subway stop yet again on 2 different maps. I keep doing it. I think I want to go visit every single subway stop in person. And there's a couple ideas that I have for the app for when I do, which I don't need to talk about yet. But on a certain level, it's like I make a subway app. I should I should go to every single subway stop at some point in my life. Yeah, I don't see me reading this off of the service status anywhere. So I think I'm okay. let's see, 6:51. Usually end at 7, but we did start 15 minutes late. And there is one more thing I want to do. Which we might not finish, but I want to take a closer look at it because it has been a pain while editing maps. John says, thinking I might fire up a game, head hurts, and feel like relaxing. Right on, dude. Thanks for hanging out. What game are you going to play? So the problem is John says, was thinking No Man's Sky, but that is way too busy. Let's see if I can describe the problem real quick. I guess without getting too much into the details, I guess technically this current map name is not a state and it's not published. So when it changes, it's not affecting stuff in the UI. So I want to make this published. And that means whenever I update, that means whenever I return current map names equals keys. Something like that. And then this, if this works, that ended up being super easy. Oh, we have a build failure. Not allowed. Okay, so this is October 2025. If we swap here, well, I guess this one doesn't exist. So 9:15. So this should be here. Let me go to. So that finally works. That's fantastic. Gorgeous. I mean, those are the same. So we're not going to really see it there. Oh, that's fantastic. So if we have display config and we go to diagram. Oh, because we have to pick one. We have to pick one. Oh, we still have to pick one here? It doesn't quite do what I want it to do. Maybe will set? Wait, what is... Oh, current items is the tap areas. Oh, come on. Come on. Selected map. Yeah, this code is definitely a mess. Who's using nav anyway? Let's try to find this build error while that is... Failed to build. Yes, I know it didn't fail to build. Why did it not fail to build? Dependencies cannot be resolved because Swift protobuf contains incompatible tools version and depends on Swift protobuf 5.10. Oh, that's not so bad. I think. I guess like some stuff only fails on Linux. Okay, I'll set that to 5.10. Oh, and let's build locally. CD. Cool. Update tools version for kitchens CLI. I call it the kitchen because that's where the feed is made. That's where the food is made. Guess we can cancel that pipeline. Okay, back to here. Select a map. Select an editor. Diagram. This is like working even weirder now. At least before I knew what was going on. Okay, so diagram. And then switch to path. But the maps aren't loading. Maybe I'll scratch the game idea and work on some drawing. Oh, cool. Seems like I have to click it twice. Oh, yeah, it's not supposed to be will set, is it? It has to be did set. I guess on any of these. Oh, we want to do did set on everything. Update current map names. Not that one. Property wrappers are not yet supported in top level code. Oh, because I have an extra curly there. Okay. All good. Encoding overloaded. Consider turning down video settings. Is it because I'm running Xcode? God, I have so many text messages all of a sudden. Okay, well, this is not working, is it? I think I broke it. I see an orange case. Did you get the new orange phone? I did. Upgrading from like the 13 or 14 or something like that. So it's a nice upgrade for me. The last Purple Pro is the phone I've been using. Is it fading to pink yet? It's still pretty orange. Oh, whoops. I infinite looped it. Don't know how true that is. At least it's only one infinite loop. Then we go to diagram. So close. So close. Map screen choice. Something about the screen choice. Then you'll be too infinite and beyond. Map screen choice view. Oh, this just like is not updating. It's just like if this thing. No, but it should be. It's a published change, so can I say dot values? How do I make this update itself? I am updating the published value, so why are you not changing? we change this to Subway. It's still selected a diagram. I guess having this text here is helpful no matter what. So now we're selected Subway. It looks like this didn't really, I can't tell if, I don't trust that this updated. I guess a diagram. Okay, so Subway. Yeah, this, I don't trust this. I guess like each screen should have the map name on it so you know what you're doing, because I don't trust this left-hand side stuff. And I want to, but I don't. I never trust technology. I mean, it's code that I wrote. Well, I guess I didn't write Apple's binding stuff, which I guess is what I'm trying to navigate here. What I'm trying to surf the winds on. Guess this is more of a column than a screen. Wait, is it building without an error? Okay. um, you just want those to match always. Why won't it reload itself? I want it to reload itself. Well, I guess we're at the end here, and we have not solved it. Makes me want to just toss what we did. Although I do like this one change. And I guess we don't need the navigation path. Stage lines. And then map editor updates. And then discard all this stuff. And make sure we're still building. Was considering a new MacBook this fall. Then I realized the M5 is only a plain chip, not the Pro or Pro Max version yet. Yeah, So I shall wait longer or look at the M4 Max Studio. Ooh. Yeah, I have this is the M4 Max laptop. Tiny. The 14-inch, I think, is the small version these days. Ooh, build failed again. But the installed version is 5.9. Still on the M1 Pro with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Does that mean I need to download the new Xcode on my build laptop? Which on the grand scheme of things is a solid rig. Let's see. Xcode select -P. Which Xcode is running? How do I tell that? -- version? Z -- version 26.01. I mean, that's like the latest version, right? Oh, Docker. Docker. Oh. Oh. Okay. Foundation, Docker. Here we go. Okay, let's I don't know, 5.10 Jammy? Does that exist? Swift Docker image update to 5.10. Should I go to 6? That should be a separate task. Still on the M1 Pro 14-inch with only 16 gigabits of RAM, which on the grand scheme of things is still a solid rig. Yeah. So I guess we can cancel that pipeline and let the new one take over when it's ready. As soon as I fix the build, I find something to break about it, I'm going to be going home with a broken build. Xcode on my M1 is 26.01. Yeah, it wasn't the Xcode on the computer. It was the Swift version in the Docker image. I was using 5.9.2. Let's see. I guess we can do a little bit of steameroni. which I guess means killing the music. Because I do want to see the build pass. Very much so. I would like to see the build pass. Before going home. Okay. Start song. All right, we're on Widow. I have yet to actively use Xcode for anything, but I keep it up to date. Slowly getting my shards back up. They all went into the elevator, and there's no way to get out. I'll just go around. They can't get stuck in the elevator if they're not even there. Oh, I have to update the... Well, we're still kind of coding. We're waiting for the build to pass. Yeah. 2 hits. Ooh, that hit my head. Ooh, I missed. Ooh, how is that good? Stabbing. I lost track of how many hits I got in. There's a natural enemy that I got up to in my other playthrough that takes 12 hits to kill. Oh no! That's too many hits. I figured out that I can just like run past it. Yeah. No! I dodged that. Ref, please. Ah! No! Oh boy. I feel like I didn't really heal after I took all that extra damage from trying to heal. Yeah! No! Oh man, I was planning my next move ahead. Oh, why did I get in the elevator? Wait, why is the elevator there? I went all the way around so that it would not be there. It reset on me. Three, 4. Oh boy. I totally went the wrong way. I didn't even keep track of how many staggers were going. No! Oh, are you serious? There's like so little warm-up time between when she goes to the right and across. I heard one should install and use Xcodes. Is the reason for that just running an Xcode? I've never installed Xcodes. If you have like multiple clients and they're all on different versions of stuff, then or if your own code is on a different version than your client, that would be a reason to use a version manager like that. on, stagger. Aha. Oh, I went the wrong way. I mistimed my heal. Two staggers. Aha. Ooh, no. Three staggers? I always get hit by those balls that are flying in the wall. Oof. Ooh, I jumped too early. Jumped too late. Next time, I'll jump right on time. No! Oh, man. Unfortunate. Ah! I jumped on time that time. Jumped too early that time. That was a decent heal. Ooh, I did not jump at all. That was a good jump. I hit my head. Oh, I walked right into it. Hey, the build passed. Well, not the entire build. The part that we was broken. We fixed that part. So that's cool. Ooh. Came down too early. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh. Caught my tail feathers. Walked right into it. Ooh, and I dodged the ball. That was a good jump. That was a bad jump. Ooh, I jumped a hair too late. No! Oh, phase 2. Phase 2, phase 2. What you gonna do about phase 2? I guess I haven't figured out when she does the run across that I keep dying to. I wonder if there's like a pattern that I'm just not seeing. I wonder if it's like... I guess that's what I need to do. I need to look for a pattern. I bet there is one. I just haven't been looking for it. So I guess that's the goal of this attempt, is to see if there is a pattern. If I were to guess, I want to say after 2 or 3 ball falls, she does the run across. But we are consistently getting to phase 2, so that's cool. Getting nice and casual with not dodging these early balls. Oh boy. Totally missed. Okay, phase 2. Full health. So that's 2, 3, 1. Oh, that's not the pattern. Ooh, I want to step my heel too. Just have to keep an eye on her, I guess. Oh, and the balls too. Wife is done outside again. I go hang out with her a little bit. Oh, sounds fun, dude. Have a good time. Thanks again for hanging out. I'm so glad the build is passing. We are making all kinds of progress everywhere. Okay, I'm going to do one last attempt, and then I'm going to call it a night also. Ooh, she got me. Well, I walked into her and I took a hit instead of her. Oh no. I saw that coming. Oh man, it's like you can't heal on the ground. Okay. Thanks everybody for watching. We got the map renames done. We fixed a bunch of other of the static data. And we got a few more attempts in on Widow with the what's it called? The Hunter Crest. My other playthrough, I'm focusing on the Wanderer Crest. I'm trying to do something different with this one. See you tomorrow around 5 o'clock-ish. Seems to be the time I tend to be starting up. Oh, let's try to find somebody to raid. Raid Rigoro. There's like a raid thing here, right? Wasn't there like a raid helper? A Raideruski. Raid channel. Oh, we can go to Frozair. And then how do I do the raid? Start raid. Ready to raid in 6 seconds. 5, 4,